Hi, my name is Marelda Rodrigues, and I am the founder of Move Beyond Grief. And today I want to talk a little bit about my experience with the free Facebook group that Kuhn runs. It's called the Strategy Sphere. And I want to tell you how I came to be in this group and how it has really changed my life. So back in March of 2020, when we had this lockdown in the state, I am a massage therapist, and overnight, my career was yanked from right under my feet. I did not have a way to immediately turn around and earn income. And I was in a pretty upset state, as you can imagine. But, my travels around Facebook just led me down to the strategy sphere, and I explored it a little bit and found out that it is a free Facebook group run by Kuhn, a business strategist. And let me tell you, I have been in that group since March, and it has really changed my life. I started showing up every day, which I just was curious. I just showed up. I wanted to see what she was going to talk about. And every single day, she had free training. She still has free trainings. This is incredible. I haven't seen a coach do this for free that has lasted this long. I have seen a few coaches do a few free things and then fold it all up when they weren't making sales in their businesses. However, that is not the agenda Jean has. Jean truly, truly wants to help you. And it is amazing to me, even to this day, that she can give at the level she does. So I highly recommend, if you are struggling in your business right now, no matter where you are, whether you're a beginner in your business, whether you are someone who has been seasoned, maybe there's a piece of your business that's suffering right now, I urge you to explore the strategy sphere and tell me that you have not learned a few things, even if you're there for a week. So please join us in the strategy sphere. We have trainings every day. We learn something new every day. And the people that show up every day have grown their businesses, me and my peers. And of course, I would be remiss if I did not talk about the Business Turnaround Conference. It is a conference happening in October this year. And I believe that if nothing else, and you join the strategy sphere and you come to the Business Turnaround Conference, this is really going to change the trajectory of your business. It doesn't matter that we're in a pandemic. This is actually the time of more opportunities and tremendous business growth. So I urge you to attend, and I hope to see you there.